Hey friends, this is our formative, and this kind of help you out so we can head off some errors that might happen. First one looks like this. What's the perimeter if we walked around side? Remember, this isn't x squared up here. That's x, and that's x. X squared means x times x, the area, but the perimeter, the length is only x on the outside. So we got x, 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 x. Okay, this is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And this piece right here is x minus 2. So how many x's do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then what do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 6 x's plus 8 minus 2, or 6 x's minus 6. That's it. Okay, next one looks like this. I told you to use tiles for this one. I think that's going to help you the most. If you don't want to use tiles, think about this. If you have 3x's or 3x squareds and you take away 5x squareds, now you have negative 2x squareds. Okay. And then if you have negative 2y squareds and you add a y squared, now you have a negative 1y squared, or a negative y squared. Okay? Next, how many x's do we have? We have 2 x's. We don't have to add any more, take any more away. So now we have, we're adding 2 x's plus 2 x's. Okay? And now how many y's do we have? We have negative 5 y's. All right, so negative 5 y's. And then what do we have? We have 9. Take away 8. That's 1. Plus 6 is 7. Plus 7. That's what we got for this one. And again, I encourage you to use tiles. If you use your tiles, that's really easy because we can just go into eTools right here. And remember on that one I said this is a blank background. So go to blank background and then just start adding your tiles through there, right? So 3x squared, 1, 2, 3. Okay, get the idea? That's nice because you can see like the positives and the negatives. Everyone did well on this one. We saw that these two cancel out. So what do we have left? We have 2x squared plus 3x's plus 2. 2x squared plus 3x's plus 2. That's it. Beautiful. All right, so the next part of your formative look like this. This is kind of the same thing as we had before. And again, on this one, I encouraged you to use tiles. Because if you use tiles, you can see all this. You can see what's negative and what's positive. But if you don't have tiles, think about this. We have 4x squareds. Whoop. We have 4x squareds, and then we take away 6 squareds. So now we have negative 2x squareds. Okay? Then for x's, we have 6 x's, and we take away 7. So now we have negative 1x, or negative x. Then we have negative 2y. No more we're adding or subtracting, so we go negative 2y. And then for our units, we say we have 4, take away 7. So now we're our minus 3. That's all there is to it. And again, if we went with this, we would say we start with 4x squared, we take away 6x squared. So we would start here, and then we take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you get the idea, right? So I like tiles, but that's up to you on this one. On this one, I said we need to use a comparison mat. So up here, we're going to go to backgrounds, and we're going to go to comparison mat number 2. because we need one that has the positive and the negative area. Okay. So from there, we said 3 plus 8x. So I went 3 plus 8x. Open up my tiles. 1, 2, 3. And then plus 8x. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 3 plus 8x opposite 2 minus 3x. Opposite 2 minus 3x. Okay. Does that look right? We got 3 plus 8x opposite 2 minus 3x. So we're going to solve this one. We're going to bring these up here. And then these become negative. All right. So now we have 11x plus 1. And that's the solution to this one. 11x plus 1. This one, evaluate the expression for the given values 4x squared minus 5y for x equals 3 and y equals 6. So we take 3 and we just bring it into there, just like that. So 4 times 3 times 3. Now I saw some people go 4 times 3 is 12. Then they went 12 squared is 144. But actually what we want to do is we want to do the exponents first. Exponents first. So we go 3 times 3 is 9, times 4 is 36. Okay. Now we look at this one. What's 5 times 6? So then we go take away 30 equals 6. Last one, solve for x. So I said in this one, what kind of mat do we need? We need an equation mat number 2. Equation mat number 2. So we want 5x minus 7 equals 8. Okay. So we'll pull up equation mat number 2. How do we find equation mat number 2? We go into here and we want 5x minus 7 equals 8. So we'll put 5x's here. Two, 3, 4, 5. Minus 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we said equals positive 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we said the rule when we are solving for an x is we want to get the x's independent of the units. So we want to put the x's on one side. I like when the x's are blue because they're positive. So we're going to pull these over here. And when we pull them over here, they all become positive. And right now we have 5 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 15. So that means if we distributed these evenly, each one would equal what do you think? I think you're right. If we have 5x's equals 15, 1x would equal positive 3. And that's your solution to that problem. All right, that's your formative. And we'll keep working until we get you ready for your summative on Wednesday or Thursday. All right, friends, have a good day. See ya.